Usumbut Menteri Rangba Kejela bat MLA Kethan Ma Sniawbhalang Dhar haka arpulai terik nailar. Ula Leit mynsiem bat kener jingerap syaka wei kalanot kabalamat ya ka apot sepsni na ka jing dukno ya ki arhut ki khun kentai haka jingpluh ding ka yingsa ka jongki. Ya ka ni ka ying la dei trai da ka kong Virginia lingdo bat ma shanbor pasi haka shnong namdong ka bahap hapo kanar tiang konstituensi. Kani ke jingpluh ding kalaja hakamit pratarik nailar kat baki arngut ki khun kentai ki badon hakarta shisnem bat khat arsnem kidang yok tiak lengai. La suba ba ke jingpluh ding ka deina ke jingthang momati henreida ke jingkloi ki pajba ban aji yaram lala pat ban pelaj im ya laingut ki mynsiem ki badon hakawai pat ka kamratia. Ma Sniawbhalang Dhar ula mynsiem ya ukpa bat ka kemi rengkat ke jingkener jingarap nak benta jongki. La senran ya Dhar da kino ya lambat dekot nongit kam ka dorbar shnong namdong harengkat ki riu rangba bat kisam la napo kanar tiang konstituensi.
Ini orang tak kubur yang belah, yang tak ada. Kita alam berkan te kamu kabun itu hujan berkan. Mau dilakukan lagi. Lepas itu kau berdoa
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shriya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.